Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to manually enter bank transactions in the Xero app. Let's dive right in. Step 1 is to log into your Xero account. Open your web browser and go to the Xero login page. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the bank account section. Locate and click on the Bank Accounts tab or menu option. This will take you to the area where you can manage your bank accounts and transactions. Next, Step 3 involves selecting the appropriate bank account from the list displayed. Choose the account for which you want to manually enter transactions. Click on the account name to open its details. Now, within the selected bank account, locate and click on the Add Transaction button. This button is typically situated near the top or bottom of the page and may be labeled as Add New Transaction or similar. Moving on to Step 5, enter the transaction details in the form provided. Fill in required fields such as date, description, amount, and account category. You may also have additional fields like reference numbers or text information. Once all necessary information is entered, click on the Save or Add button to record the transaction. And there you have it. Manually entering bank transactions in the Xero app is a straightforward process that gives you control over your financial records. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.